Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to easily detach this Joy-Con controller from your Nintendo Switch 2. So you need not to pull it hard, okay? It's very simple. So just hold your hand like this, and here you can see, okay? Here you can see this button, okay, to eject. So do not pull like this. So just press here, okay? Just press here, and here just pull it. Simple. That's it. See, easy you can take it. And to attach, it's very simple. You need to bring it to closer. Automatically the magnet will be attached, okay? So here even right, to detach, just hold this here like this, and here the eject button is there. You need to press it, press, and here press. Simple, friends. So because you need not to pull it hard, so this is the easiest way to detach Joy-Con controller from Nintendo Switch 2. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.